guys, welcome to the new vlog. Yeah, today I'm the one vlogging, guys. So yeah, without wasting any time, just wanna welcome you guys. So basically, as you know, when you see me, you know that the vlog is all about construction. So yeah, so I just wanna welcome you guys. So we are continuing with our renovation. So basically now we are busy with the renovation on the side of the lounge, and I don't know what we call that area, but yeah. So basically what we are doing is, because we are breaking some section there, and then from there we are removing the tiles as well, the old tiles, and so we'll be installing the new tiles. So yeah, so guys, so the guys during the day they were busy doing the demolition, so they were breaking and all that. So now I'm doing the night shift. So yeah, basically I'm doing the night shift just to meet them halfway, so that tomorrow when they come, they can find at least, you know, we are halfway, because we are pushing for this project, for this section to complete it within 3 days. So we started today. So today it's Friday, so we are hoping by Sunday we should be done with this section. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go through with you guys, just to show you exactly what we are doing. And yeah, please subscribe, guys. Subscribe. We are targeting 3,000 subscribers now. I think we, at this point, we are probably sitting on 2.5, if I'm not mistaken, of subscribers. So hopefully we're gonna 3,000 subscribers before end of July. So yeah, that's our hope. So please, guys, subscribe, comment. You can comment as well, like anything, share, you know. So yeah, so without wasting any time, guys, so yeah, let me just show you exactly what you are doing, and yeah, I'll just speak on the voice over. So hopefully you're gonna enjoy this vlog, guys. As my wife likes to say, outfit of the day. So basically this is the outfit of the day, my work suit. I don't know where did we buy this outfit. So but yeah, this is the outfit of the day and the tools of the day. So welcome, hopefully you're gonna enjoy this vlog. So yeah, I'm gonna start with this section. So basically here, we're gonna install the aluminium pivot door. So it's gonna be somewhere in between here. When the guys they were breaking, there was a door here. So but this door we've removed it. So yeah, so basically we're gonna have the pivot door here. So the guys, yeah, they were busy, you know. It's still a mess here, you can see, because we are busy trying to remove the tiles as well at the bottom. So yeah, we are busy trying to remove the tiles. So in this section here, so what's going to happen is we are going to plaster, because my wife doesn't like this design. So we're gonna plaster this section. So and then from there we're gonna paint. So on top here, yeah, we still need to sort out the ceiling, but it's something that we will do after, once the guys are done with this section of installing the door and then plastering and painting. Then we're gonna go for the ceiling. So yeah, there's just too much work, guys. It's just too much work, because removing these tiles, yeah, this is the old house. So I think when they were using the cement for tiles, oh, that cement is strong. So some of the section you can see it's removing like the ground here. It's removing your, what you call, It's removing that the river sand, the plastering of the river sand at the bottom. So yeah, it's a bit of a challenge, but slowly but surely, hopefully we'll get it right. So this side here, it's the TV room. So we still have to remove all this tiles and then retile the whole section. So yeah, so wish me luck, guys. So hopefully I'm gonna try and push as well to like to assist the guys so that tomorrow when they come, probably they can find this place halfway removed. So yeah, I think basically that's it, guys. So all right, thank you,
tomorrow.
Alright, guys, okay, no, it's another day, guys. So today we'll be busy with installing this pivot door. So yeah, the guys, they need to break the wall again. Today it's another demolition, so they'll be breaking the wall and installing these new doors.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, 'cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, 'cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. 'Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams. Living in my dreams. She can make all the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and that you could believe all the little lies you tell yourself at night. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Making the plate, being the plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, 'cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. 'Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no.
Okay, guys. Yeah, it was a step, so we decided to make it a ramp instead of a step, because the challenge that we're having here, Ishkumo, most of the time he likes to play inside the house and then with his scooter, and sometimes he falls, and so then we decided, what, let's just make it a ramp as well. It makes like this area now, it makes things easier, even if we have someone who's using a wheelchair to to go through here, because in order for someone to go to the bedrooms or the toilet, you need to go through this ramp, through this step. So yeah, so I think
with the ramp thing, it was a good idea on our side. So yeah, guys, as you can see the tiles, yeah, we've removed the tiles. Yeah, it was hard work here to remove these tiles. So that's why we've decided, that on our next project, we are not gonna remove those tiles. We're gonna tile on top of the tiles. Yeah, so you can see the ramp there as well. So yeah, we've made a progress in those couple of days. So today it's tiling. So yeah, the guys are tiling. So we are almost done with this project.
I see you in everything. You're working it all out for me. Oh, what can I do but sing and give to you all the glory? You put all my fears to rest. I bring to you my anxiety.